Creating a Quizlet study set is a straightforward process, making it a powerful tool for learning and revision. Here's a concise guide. Access Quizlet. Visit the Quizlet website and log into your account or sign up if you're a new user. Create a new set. Click on Create at the top of the page, then select Set to start a new study set. Set title and description. Give your study set a title that clearly represents the subject. Add a brief description if needed. Add terms and definitions. Enter the terms you want to study in the term column. These can be vocabulary words, concepts, or any content you need to learn. Add the corresponding definitions or explanations in the definition column. For language study, this may be translations or descriptions. Include images and audio. You can upload images and audio files to associate with each term. This is especially useful for visual or auditory learners. Organize into sections. Divide your study set into sections if it covers various topics or chapters. Click Add a section to create sections and assign terms to them. Edit and format. Review your study set, edit any errors, and format it for clarity and consistency. Choose language and audio. Set the primary language for the study set. If available, enable audio pronunciation for terms. Make the set public or private. Decide whether you want the study set to be public or private. Save and study. Click Create or Save to save your study set. You can then study it directly on your Quizlet, test your knowledge, and practice with flashcards, quizzes, and games.